Do you think that you still need over $400,000 to buy a home on the north side of San Antonio? Well, think again. Today, I am going to show you homes under $200,000 on the north side of San Antonio, so stay tuned. I'm Jana Cervantes, and I am with Cervantes Dream Homes and Better Homes and Gardens. And today I'm on the north side of San Antonio, and I want to show you some of these beautiful homes. But if this is the first time that you've ever been to my channel, please make sure you subscribe and tap that bell so you're the first person to get all of the information. So I'm a realtor here in the area, and I will bring you homes that you can purchase now. I will bring you ideas. I will bring you ways for you to get into a home, whether you're a first-time home buyer, VA loan, very versed on that, FHA conventional, or even cash. We do that. You find your dream home, and I want to make it fun, a little less stressful. So if that's what you're looking for and you're looking to move to the San Antonio area, anywhere in the area, then reach out to me. I'm super excited to show you the north side of San Antonio. So what you're asking me, is under 2K still possible? Absolutely. There are homes, hundreds across San Antonio, guys. The inventory is a little bit more limited, which means acting quickly is important because these homes under 200,000, they go fast. And I get it because the payment is lower, all right? Now, I will tell you, if your budget can go up to about 230, then you increase your chances of getting a home and the inventory is a lot bigger. But under 200,000 is definitely doable. All right, so if you're thinking about buying a home under 200,000 anywhere in the San Antonio area, I would love to help you. I want to make it as smooth as possible. I can help set you up with a customized search. I can help get with you with a lender who is fantastic. I can help get you with a title company. I can do all that. I have inspectors, I have appraisers, all of that stuff. I can give you the real estate tips around San Antonio. So make sure that you reach out to me, send me an email, call me. I pride myself on communication, and I assure you I will reach out to you and get back to you. Now, let's go look at some of these houses. There are many areas around San Antonio that is considered north, all right? So the first area is North Central, and that is around the airport, Castle Hills area. You'll often find condos, townhomes, and some smaller single-family homes under 200,000. These neighborhoods offer quick access to Loop 410 and Highway 281, great restaurants and shopping, short commute to downtown and the airport. Most homes at this price point are older, but can be excellent starter homes or investment properties if that's what you're looking for. All right, so area number 2, Northeast San Antonio. I do a lot of videos on Northeast. That's kind of my stomping ground. You've got Judson Road, Parambital, Thousand Oaks, Northern Hills. Those are some areas there. You'll find smaller homes that are built in the 1970s through the 1990s, but they're often priced under 200,000, all right? A lot of them have mature trees and established yards and maybe even pretty large yards, so that's a plus, all right? Area number 3, Live Oak, Universal City. If you're willing to go a little bit northeast, you may find better value, okay? So those homes run a little bit less expensive. You've got Randolph Air Force Base, shopping, restaurants nearby. But homes under 200,000 can still be found, so don't give up on that. But today I'm over on the north side, over on 1604, close to 410. Right, so these homes over here are a little bit harder to find, but they're here. You're not going to find brand new homes. You're not going to find huge open floor plans. What you're likely to find is 2 to 3 bedrooms, about 1,400 square feet, and great opportunities to build equity. So sometimes all these homes need is a fresh paint and maybe some new flooring. Okay, so this very first home that we're going into, like I told you, is on the north side of San Antonio. And you can see here it has a 2-car garage. It is 2 stories. So let's go in and take a look and see what this house has to offer. All right, when you walk in here, hi sweetheart. When you walk in here, you've got an open floor plan, a really nice big kitchen. Look at all that. Look at all that counter space. An island, a bar area, a pantry, very nice. And then you come in here, you've got your fireplace is your focal point, and it's just a beautiful open area. This leads to the back. So, oh, look at the master bedroom, has a fireplace, love that. All right. Oh, here's your backyard. You can see through here. got a patio, good sized yard. And that's one thing I love about these older homes is that they have a really large yard, which you don't find anymore. Here you can see dual vanities, standalone tub, walk-in shower. Look at this walk-in closet. Wow, that is awesome. All right, primary bedroom is on the first floor, and that's a plus. Here's some storage. So here you've got a half bath, washer and dryer hookup, and then access to your 2-car garage. Okay, we're gonna make our way upstairs. So as I just showed you, the primary bedroom is downstairs with the primary bath, okay? So when you walk up here, you come into a full bath, shower tub combo, single vanity, a bedroom here, good sized closet, and then you come into another bedroom here with another good sized closet. Lots of space, storage. So a really nice home here on the north side of San Antonio, under 200,000. Okay guys, the next home that I'm gonna show you is here in Northside, and it is about 1,000 square feet, maybe a little over. You can see it. The good part about it is there's an elementary school right there. So if you have an elementary school child, they would be able to get there, okay? So let's go in and see what this home has to offer. You walk into an open floor plan, very nice. You can see the backyard, nice fireplace, kitchen, not a lot of space, but decent. Okay, and then a pretty good sized backyard, and here's your driveway, if you were wondering, that leads into a 1-car garage, and that gate does get gated. And then you come into, here is the garage. I'll show you the garage. 1-car garage, very nice. Here's your washer and dryer. Then you move here, you've got a hallway closet, storage. Here we've got a full bath, shower tub combo, single vanity. We've got one room here, pretty good size. Second room, I like the natural light. And then we have the primary bedroom, good size, and the primary bath, shower tub combo. Pretty good sized closet. Linen. Oh, another closet. That's nice. All right, so 2 closets. Very nice. So, again, this home is under 200,000. This one goes for about 160 and is on the north side of San Antonio and is a great property. Hey guys, thank you for coming on this tour with me of the north side for homes under 200K. There are plenty around here in San Antonio. Reach out to me, give me a call. Let me help you find that one for you. See you in Texas, y'all.